Hi, my name is Kelly Cheatham. I'm a digital learning specialist for Fort Worth ISD. This is a student tutorial video showing you how to access your teacher's feedback on your FlipGrid video. So if you are looking for more information about how to access your teacher's FlipGrid topic or record your video, you'll want to watch our previous video tutorials. We're going to skip forward. So this student has already recorded his video and his teacher has already provided him with feedback. So the first thing you'll do as a student is you'll access that particular topic. So hopefully your teacher has shared you the link in something like Google Classroom. So you'll go back into that topic. Again, this is that same place where you recorded your videos. And now that I've opened up that topic in my FlipGrid account, I'm going to go up to where it says my name at the top, and I'll click on my FlipGrid. So when you click on your name, you'll then be able to click on my FlipGrid. And this is going to pull up all of the videos that you have recorded and all of the grids that you are a member of. So on this screen, you'll see your grids at the top and then your videos underneath. So you'll know that you have feedback from your teacher by looking over underneath that feedback category. And for example, this first video, I see I have some feedback. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click to open it. So I can click either on my picture or I can click on that feedback part. So it'll pull up the video itself that I recorded as the student. And then underneath that, any feedback that's been left for me will be posted there. So my teacher graded me on a rubric. She said that I received 3 out of 5 for my ideas and 5 out of 5 for my performance. And then she even left a comment for me. And then the last thing I could do, she also left video feedback. So I could open up this video feedback and watch the video feedback as well. So all of that was found by finding my video when I clicked on my name. So I'm going to go back. Here's the topic. I clicked on my name. I clicked on my FlipGrid. And then I scrolled down to find my videos. And again, I know I have feedback from my teacher because underneath feedback, I will see that option to view her feedback there.